Here we have a 2014 NAVISTAR PROSTAR with 450 horsepower with the 73-inch raised roof. This truck has the N13 in it, fuel efficient. Back behind there you have a 100-gallon tank. Wheelbase is 230. Rear axle is 336. Once again, this truck comes with a transferable warranty. 5-year, 500,000. Also after treatment, 5-year, 500,000. Ten-speed transmission. The smart wheel controls are on the steering wheel. 263,000 miles on it. Nice, clean, single bunk, lots of storage, overhead lighting. All your controls are in the back, easy access. That's your PROSTAR, NAVISTAR 2014.